maybe not. Alright, so right now I'm moving the Subaru out of the shop because if you guys watch my videos, you probably heard me talk, and I've said it in quite a few videos, I want to port and mill my heads on my Camaro. So I'm kicking the Subaru outside so I can make room for my Camaro so I can pull the heads off and then take them to the machine shop, get them milled, and then start porting them. And I might upgrade my valve springs also. So I'm gonna kick the Subaru outside for a little bit so I have room to work on my Camaro. And I'm gonna see if I can get this thing to start up because I haven't started it since the last time it was started on camera. So, all right, see if we can get this bad boy running. Put this floor mat inside. Ugh. Pig, Mr. Subaru. Oh boy, the carburetor still has a major flooding issue, which I just can't be fucked to try and fix it right now. I don't know, I'm just put so much work into this car, like so much time into it with little payback. So I'm a little frustrated over the car at the moment, so I'm gonna put some money in my Camaro instead of that for a little bit. I mean, that car is definitely still really fun, but I'd rather put $200 into my Camaro and like actually get some noticeable gains instead of dumping 200 in that and just having it run good at the moment. So after the head job on my Camaro, I should definitely have some pretty big gains. So I think I'm definitely doing like port and polish and like milling the heads, but I might also upgrade my valve springs while the heads are off, because the valves on this thing start to float like 6,300 RPMs. Actually probably a little bit before that, but you could definitely use some stiffer valve springs. Let's see if this bad boy start up now. And then also I gotta rebuild my differential, because you guys probably also noticed me complaining about how my diff is going out. It's starting to whine and grind and shit, so. There you go. It's after sitting for, I don't know, 3-4 weeks. Been really not wanting to drive this much ever since I noticed the diff was whining, because the diff's pretty well fucked, so I'd rather catch it before it before the diff grenades itself. So, you know, if I'm lucky it's just a few bearings, but probably not, but whatever. I'll check it out. It might just be like the U-joint on my drive shaft. I doubt that, but you never know, so I'm gonna check it out. Forgot I also need to get a new headlight. These headlights are pretty fucking cheap though, because they fit on like a ton of different old Chevy vehicles back in the day. They had all like the same headlight, so. Alright, since I haven't driven my Camaro in quite a while, and also interesting to see what kind of gains I'll be making after the head job, I'm gonna take it out for some quick pulls so I can see the before and after effects of the head job. So I'm just gonna do some like 0 to 60, 30 to 60, and like 60 to 90 pulls. I love the way this car sounds. That's in neutral, obviously. It sounds even better under load. I'm letting the differential warm up a bit before I beat on it, since it's already pretty fucked. So I'm just cruising for a bit, let diff warm up. Alright, I'm at the testing grounds, aka Mexico. I'm gonna do a little 0 to 60. Oh lordy. She pulls. Jesus. I don't know if you can see that on camera, but the front end lifts up so fucking much when you hit it from a stop. I'm gonna try and, you guys probably can't really see it, but god damn. It was like I just fucking reclined in my chair and fucking put me back so much. That was really funny. Like, it wasn't so much that the acceleration was so brutal, it's just like the fucking front end came up so much. That was really funny. Oh man. I wish I could get that on camera. I mean, get it to where you could fucking like see it on camera good, but the front end lift is so absurd. This thing pulls good though, I love it. I can't wait till after the head job. The power band's so fucking linear on this thing. You're just waiting for it to hit like fucking 4,000, which is where about peak torque is, and then carries it all the way to 6 grand. Love it. God, my one headlight's really a bummer. I can't fucking see shit. Alright. It's kind of a curve. This is actually right where I lost the tire in my Subaru. I'll do a 30 to 60. God damn, this thing's brutal. Alright, do another 0 to 60. Whoa. Oh man, I love it. Oh fuck, it's so funny how much the front end comes up. I mean, I'm sure you can't really appreciate it on camera, but in person, oh, it squats so hard, which is actually good for traction. Oh, yeah, there's that carb stumble. Like the video if you have experienced carb stumble. So there's been a few times where I've been doing 0 to 60s where like if I spun the tires just a little before I took off, like did kind of a little burnout, I actually got a faster time, so I'm gonna try that. Okay, maybe not. I think I spun him a little too much there. God damn, I'm making another careless driving like this. God damn you, Camaro. I better get heading back. I'm gonna try one more time now that the tires are warm. I lead footed it a little too hard back there, but. God damn it. Oh, spinning second. Okay. Oh boy. Okay, so forget the whole burnout theory. That's not working. This thing has a little bit more power than when I did that the first time, so. Alright, I'm just back in my Camaro's little butt into the shop. Sounds so good in here. My dad probably knows I'm back now. most likely gonna have to take my hood off just to make things a little easier. Because I never really looked at it too closely before, but my heads, they sit really low down. Like, the bottom of the head is way fucking down here. So these sits really low actually. So I'm definitely gonna have to take my hood off.